Namaskara, welcome to Namma Bengaluru, the city of science and technology. We are the hosts for the 10th annual Conference of Diabetes India to be held between 28th February and the 1st March at Sheraton Hotel Brigade Gateway.
A little bit about Diabetes India. See, this is the national body that we have in India. Diabetes India was actually formed 2 decades back. We started in 2002 with the leadership of Dr. Shaukat Sadikot, a group of thought leaders, or you can call it as the key opinion leaders of those days, came together and started this platform. The idea of starting this platform was to give equal opportunity and mainly to concentrate on the research. To tell you all, Diabetes India also comes under IDF. Diabetes India conference has always seen a huge number of faculty, both coming from abroad and in India. The best of the faculty are chosen to deliver the right topics. The most recent advances that we see in the field of diabetes is delivered to you in a way so that you can immediately adopt these changes to your daily practice.
The Diabetes India Congress, which we are doing since last 3 years annually. Before that, we were doing Diabetes India Congress every alternate years. Diabetes India Congress is closely working with International Diabetic Federation. We are the official member of International Diabetic Federation. In India, one major issue is the use of technology in our country is poor, and that's the reason since last 3 years we have collaborated with ATTD. This year also we have 4 different specialists from UK as well as different part of the Europe to do a ESD symposia. We also have the symposia on nutrition, GDM, something on research methodology, some workshops on hypoglycemia. So it will be a real interesting conference and congress of 2.5 days.
This is a great opportunity to interact, meet long-lost friends, make new acquaintances, explore Bangalore and its surroundings, and feast on its local cuisine.
We have a great scientific feast lined up for all of you this year, and I promise you that in addition to the food and the culinary experiences, you're going to have an all-you-can-eat learning experience as well. So it's going to be a great scientific buffet. We have faculty flying in from across the country and across the world just for you. Our program this year is quite special. We've ensured that it is practical. So while these experts from across the globe and the country deliver updates in the field of diabetes, there is something definitely in there that each of you can take back home and apply straight away to improve your practice. So our agenda this time has plenaries, we have debates, and we have workshops. So our program on the whole includes a variety of topics for you, right from prevention to treatment of complications to pharmacological therapies that are available today and the future of diabetes care. In addition to all of this, we have a platform open just for all of you to showcase your research. So I urge all of you to log on to DiabetesIndia-2020.in and to look up the abstract submission guidelines. We are now open, and abstracts for both poster presentations and oral presentations are flooding right through. Let us promote research in India using the platform of Diabetes India. So I welcome you all once again for Diabetes India 2020. We're very excited to host you this year in Namma Bengaluru.